Un grancio si peccava di educare le figlie e l'inso si zunava di massimi e consigli, insistendo, vai udito, di camminare dritto. Chiddi, che intenti avevano l'occhio niddu e le miri, comprendere un potiano dritto che volia dire. Sta idea c'ha la sua cera, donde pigliarla un c'era. Iddu ammirazza, sbruffa, l'arriva a castiare, ma sempre fici buffa, mettendola a guardare, vedono cosci e gamme, storti mancini e sciamme. Alza l'ingegno un poco lo più granuzzo e dice, papà, lo primo loco si divi a cui ne fici, vaite avanti voi, che poi vinemo noi. Insolenti, scostumati, grida lo pace, oh bella, a tanto vi assaiate, l'esempio mio s'appella, io posso fare e spare, conto non haio a dare. Se avete più l'ardire, birbi, di replicare, seguitao iddu a dire, seguita riddi a fare. Torto lo pace e torti li figli sino a morte. The Crabs. A crab who had a mind to educate his young was hard at work to grind wise maxims all day long, and kept repeating, straight, I told you to go straight. His youngsters were quite clever, their interest was keen, but they could not discover what going straight could mean. There was no way to glean straight concepts from his mien. He threatened them with ire, he even punished them. His plans, though, did misfire, for when they looked at him, they saw just crooked stems and weird left-leaning gams. The crab's maturest son was struck by a fine thought. As maker, you're the one, by you we should be taught. So show us how to walk. There is no need to talk. You insolent upstart, you certainly have nerve. You think you are so smart? As model I should serve? I'm freer than the breeze. I do not have to please. And if you dare, you lice, to answer one more time. He kept up his advice, and they their pantomime. Wrong father, crooked young, till death will come along.